If you've ever found yourself juggling bowls, cutting boards, marinades, and raw meat while trying to get the grill going, you already know how messy outdoor cooking can become. Cleanup is often the least enjoyable part of barbecue season. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Cosparx 2-pack XL collapsible barbecue prep tub to see if this all-in-one prep station actually makes grilling easier or if it's just another kitchen gadget you'll rarely use. Designed for backyard grill enthusiasts, meal preppers, campers, and anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking, the Cosparx Prep Tub combines several kitchen tools into one compact solution. It functions as a marinating container, draining tub, cutting board, storage box, and food prep station, all in a foldable design. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is how practical the design feels. Instead of carrying separate containers, strainers, and cutting boards, everything is built into one system. The black finish gives it a clean, modern appearance that looks equally at home in the kitchen or beside a backyard grill. Because the tub collapses flat, it doesn't demand much storage space when you're finished, which is a major advantage if your cabinets are already packed with cooking equipment. The materials feel sturdy enough for regular use. The food-safe construction inspires confidence when handling raw meat, vegetables, or marinades, and the walls don't feel flimsy while carrying heavier cuts like brisket, pork shoulder, or several chicken breasts. The integrated cutting board fits securely over the top, creating a stable workspace that saves you from searching for another prep surface. Using it in real-world cooking is where the Cosparx system starts to make sense. You can marinate meat directly inside the container, use the built-in strainer to drain excess liquid without making a mess, and immediately begin slicing vegetables or trimming meat on the attached cutting board. Instead of moving ingredients from bowl to bowl, most of the prep stays inside one organized workspace, reducing both clutter and cleanup. The collapsible feature is surprisingly useful. Once you're done grilling, the tub folds down quickly and takes up very little room. That's especially valuable for apartment kitchens, RV owners, campers, or anyone with limited cabinet storage. Since you receive 2 tubs in the package, it's also easy to separate raw meats from vegetables or prepare multiple dishes at the same time without cross-contamination. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. Sticky marinades, barbecue sauces, and meat juices rinse away easily, and the dishwasher-safe construction makes post-cook cleanup much less of a chore. Because the cutting board, tub, and strainer all work together, you're washing fewer individual kitchen tools than you normally would after a cookout. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. This isn't meant to replace dedicated large cutting boards for extensive meal prep, and serious competition barbecue cooks may still prefer oversized commercial prep containers for handling very large quantities of food. Also, while the collapsible design is excellent for storage, you'll still want to avoid using excessive force when folding or unfolding it to maximize its lifespan. Compared to standard plastic prep bowls, collapsible wash tubs, or separate marinating containers, the Cosparx system offers noticeably better convenience because everything is integrated into one portable setup. Similar prep stations often require purchasing separate cutting boards or strainers, while this package includes those features from the start. Considering you receive 2 complete tubs, the overall value is quite competitive for frequent grillers and outdoor cooks. Overall, the Cosparx 2-pack XL collapsible barbecue prep tub delivers exactly what many home grillers are looking for: better organization, less mess, easier cleanup, and smarter use of kitchen space. It won't magically improve your barbecue skills, but can absolutely make food preparation smoother and more efficient, especially if you grill often or enjoy cooking outdoors. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest kitchen gadget reviews. And if you're interested in checking today's price or availability, you'll find a product link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.